షాప్ అయితే మన షాప్లో ఎట్టకైనా రెంట్ కట్టాలి, కరెంట్ బిల్లు కట్టాలి.
அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு போக முடியாது. ஒரு பிஸ்னஸில் எதுலேயுமே சப்போர்ட் இல்லாமல்
யூஸ் பண்ணி சேல்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் என்னுடைய இன்கம் அதிகமாகிறதுக்கும் உதவியாக இருக்குது குழுவு.
We're in Arakonam in the Vellore district of Tamil Nadu in southern India, where we're visiting the Belstar Investment and Finance Private Limited, a community-owned microfinance institution. Belstar was acquired in 2008 by the Hand in Hand Group. Today, Belstar provides loans and trainings to its clients in the region.
Apart from delivering financial services through Belstar, we also ensure that non-financial services like training and enterprise support is being given to the families so that they can develop their enterprises and they can create job and a tangible improvement can be seen at the household level.
మళ్ళీ కస్టమర్ రెగ్యులర్గా వస్తారు, ఇంటి అయితే రారు. షాప్ అయితే వస్తారు, నలుగురు వస్తారు. ఇంటి అంటే ఎవరు పంపిరు వద్దంటారు. షాప్ అయితే కొంచెం బాగుంటుంది. రెండంటే ఇక్కడ 4 కుట్టవచ్చు.
They cannot use the credit in a proper way. They cannot invest in the productive activities. That is why before giving any credit, we build their capacity and we offer some skill training so that they can take up some specific income generation activities and they can use the credit in a more profitable way.
One of the most successful entrepreneurs who was able to grow her business with the assistance of Belstar and Hand in Hand is Sheila. In 2001, she started the Mahalakshmi Women's Self-Help Group with 15 members. The group was given loans and training and in 2006 received the President's Award for the Best Enterprise Development.
அந்த சப்போர்ட் இருக்கிறதுனால தான் லேடிஸால் வந்து அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு போக முடியும். சப்போர்ட் இல்லாத எந்த ஒரு லேடியாலையும் அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு போக முடியாது. அது வந்து ஃபேமிலியாக இருக்கலாம், ஒரு என்ஜிஓ இருக்கலாம். அந்த விதத்தில் பார்க்கும்போது ஹேண்ட் இன் ஹேண்டில் வந்து எல்லாருமே ஈவன் ஸ்டாஃப் வரைக்கும் சிஇஓ இருந்து எல்லாருமே ஃபர்தராக தொடர்ந்து இன்றைக்கி 10 years ஆகுது. ஃபர்தர் சப்போர்ட் எனக்கு.
Belstar is a non-banking finance company working for the advancement of low-income earners, especially women. Thanks to Belstar, many women and young adults have been trained and found employment.
Here in this area, people are poor, economically poor. They need support from many angles like financial assistance and enterprise development programs, different trainings, how to manage the business and all. And she is the woman who has taken the loan and she has put up a store, fancy store where she can sell all the bangles and other fancy items which is required by every woman.
லோன் கொடுத்தாங்க. அந்த லோனை வச்சு நான் வந்து கேரண்டி ஐட்டம், பேங்கிள்ஸு எல்லாம் போடுவோம். ஃபெஸ்டிவல் டைமுக்கு எனக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது.
Belstar became a partner of Manavia Development and Finance Private Limited, which is a subsidiary of Oiko Credit, in 2012.
Our cooperation with Manavia Oiko Credit is excellent because they are not only providing the financial support, they are also providing our guidance and technical assistance. So this is very much required for an emerging MFI like Belstar. So they have provided an excellent and their orientation towards social goals because that is more aligning with our goals. So we enjoy the partnership and we look forward to have more association with the Manavia Oiko Credit.